Now we're ready to move on to our tags. So we're going to scroll down here and we're going to look at these tags. We have 500 characters that we can upload for our tags. And these are like keywords that you would use on a page when you're doing search engine optimization. And we want them to fit our topic, plus we want to include some standards. Now this is my Lori Ballen website. So the first thing I want to make sure of is which keywords, if you have TubeBuddy, I have TubeBuddy, this tag tools device is here for us, which is really nice. And we can use these extensions, okay? I have a link to TubeBuddy in my description there. Well, scroll down, if you'll notice you'll find Lori Ballen. Actually, if you just start typing in Lori Ballen, we can start seeing some searches. So this is not about IDX Broker. We're not going to include that. It's not about WordPress. We're not going to include that. It is SEO. It is lead generation. It could be tools. Okay, so we'll go ahead and drop those in there. And then you'll notice that your keywords down here also start to change. So I'm going to drag that back up to the top. Okay, let me add Lori Ballen YouTube. All right. Now, what is this topic about? YouTube thumbnail maker. I love that. Perfect. YouTube custom thumbnail. Yes. YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Yes. YouTube thumbnail. Absolutely. How to make custom thumbnails on YouTube. Perfect. Okay. So you keep doing that. Now look up here. We're at 398 of 500. Video SEO. Love it. Make YouTube thumbnails, custom thumbnails, thumbnail creator, how to make thumbnails. Oh, now I'm at 501. See how it turns red? So it won't let you publish it if you get too many. Okay? So I'm going to take out that one, loriballen.com, because I got Lori Ballen in there already. Let me pick another short one here. YouTube SEO. Ah, look, I nailed it. 500 out of 500. Can't get any better than that. So that is how we do our tags on our YouTube channel.